Now for some sexy backyard blizzard action. Oh shit, look at that. Oh. Sexy snow now, sexy snow. Oh. The wind is more back here, not in the front of the house. I pity the poor fool stuck in that shit out here. Look, it is overcast out, but I wouldn't call it like in Rochelle until it's the worst storm. Why couldn't this happen for Christmas? There's a parking lot. I mean, I think with Blizzard as like where that parking lot is, you wouldn't see it at all. So I don't know. I'm sure in some areas they have a horrible storm going on, like Long Island, Connecticut, Boston, but you know, here is like I would say moderate. Looks bad, but I don't know. Looks windy. Look at that. That light is. Yeah, now you can hear it. So there's a lot of wind. I just hope we keep our power. Me personally, it's like, as long as there's power and transportation tomorrow. Because I really want to go out tomorrow on Sunday. Who knows? Even though I'm sick, I hope I'm better tomorrow. This is looking the other way. That's the side of the building. Okay.
You're getting owned again?
That's it, folks. It's the back of the house.
You're getting owned.